Okay, so now the frame looks good. Next step is to install the support plates. The support plates help support the tabletop. So the support plates is number 6 to the lifting columns 3 and 4 using M6 bolts, which is B, and tighten using the larger hex key. So these are the support uh, plates. There are 2 screws on each side and M6 bolts. And then essentially once I tighten them, I should make sure these screws face the top, because these screw holes should face the top. So these are the support plates. And this side should face the top. This is what gets screwed on to the 2 sides. So I'm gonna use B for this, just these. So I'll go ahead and do that and then continue the video after that.